Hi there, Barbara Ragsdale here, your independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. Now if you have your January to June 2021 mini catalog and you are looking at your snail mail suite on pages 54 to 55, if you are wondering how they did this mailbox, I'm about to show you how, because unfortunately that box is not a die that's included in with the bundle. So I'm going to give you some measurements in order to show you how to make that particular mailbox. So I have a piece of Bermuda Bay and I just used my paper trimmer. The measurement is 4 inches tall by 2 3/4 inches wide. And then in order to nick this little edge out, I did use the layering square dies, and I used the square that's 1 3/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch, and all I did was I put it down here at the bottom. I went about 3/4 of the way up and then just die cut it out. You can certainly adjust it depending on how tall you want your mailbox legs to be. So that is that piece. And then I also used the layering ovals dies, and I used the die oval circle that's 2 3/4 inches, and I went ahead and die cut a piece out with Bermuda Bay as well. So let's attach this to our base. I'm going to attach adhesive along the bottom, and when you're doing this, just make sure that you are putting adhesive on the finished side about a little more than halfway from the bottom, maybe a little bit more up here at the top. And then we are going to attach both of these pieces together. You want to make sure your adhesive is covered up, so it's probably going to be about halfway up. Okay. Now if for some reason your measurements were a little off, which is very, very possible, all you do is you take your paper snips and just line up with the edge here and snip off anything that's overhanging. And the same thing with your other side. Sorry about that dangling on my paper snips. It's my scissor charm. Okay, and so now you have your mailbox. I've gone ahead and die cut out some of the little envelopes that's part of the bundle dies, and from here you can just slide your little envelopes in however you want. You can certainly put them down with glue dots or your choice of adhesive. There's no rhyme or reason, just however you want to decorate it. And then if you want to decorate the front of your mailbox like they did in the catalog, you can use the die that's included in with the dies, and it's this one that has kind of like a scalloped and a stitched, like a postage and a stitched edge to it, and that's how that comes out. And then you can just attach that to your front and then decorate it however you want to decorate it. So in the catalog they use some items from the suite in order to finish decorating it.